Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to swipe rows. So you can select rows and then you can click at the lines, hold and then you can move to the bottom to swipe row. Another option, if you want to put this row into the number 7, you can right click on cut tools and then go to insert. We can use insert cut cells, but you can click in the number of 8 row and then you can click insert cut cells. So the number 2 will be set into the number 7. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to swipe rows. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.